ensures clear rear visibility, enhances driving safety, and helps prevent accidents during lane changes. Today's video is about top 5 best replacement mirror glass for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Yikesai Cars Mirror Glass. This driver-side heated mirror glass is a reliable replacement option for GMC, Chevy, and Cadillac vehicles such as Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, and Escalade, 2003 to 2007 models. It is designed specifically for 2-pin connector systems, so checking compatibility before purchase is important. Built with high-quality ABS plastic and durable glass, it offers clear reflection without haze, improving driving visibility and overall safety. The heated function helps quickly remove fog, ice, or snow, making it especially useful in harsh weather conditions. An integrated LED turn signal adds extra visibility, enhancing road safety during lane changes. Installation is straightforward thanks to the OEM-style design, which matches factory mounting points and wiring, allowing a quick plug-and-play replacement in just minutes. The mirror fits securely and performs like the original part while maintaining a clean factory appearance. Overall, it's a practical, durable, and safety-focused upgrade that restores visibility and improves driving confidence in all weather conditions. Now our second product is Yikesai Cars Mirror Glass. This driver-side lower mirror glass is a reliable replacement designed for Dodge Ram trucks from 2010 to 2020, including 1500, 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models. It is a direct-fit solution for replacing cracked, damaged, or worn mirror glass, helping restore clear visibility and driving safety. Compatible with multiple part numbers such as 680677331AA and 681426773AD, it ensures proper fitment and easy replacement without modification. The design improves rear and side visibility, allowing drivers to better detect vehicles and road hazards, which enhances overall safety during driving and lane changes. Built with durable materials and tested for factory-level quality, it offers long-lasting performance comparable to original equipment. The sturdy construction helps maintain clarity and reliability over time, even with regular use in different driving conditions. Overall, this mirror glass is a practical, cost-effective, and dependable replacement part that restores visibility and ensures safer driving for Ram truck owners. Our third product is Yikesai Cars Mirror Glass. This passenger-side mirror glass replacement is a practical and cost-effective solution for Ford Focus models from 2012 to 2018. Designed as a direct-fit replacement, it matches factory mounting points perfectly, allowing for quick installation without trimming or modification. Made from quality glass and ABS materials, it provides clear and reliable visibility, helping drivers better see surrounding traffic and road conditions. This improves everyday driving safety, especially during lane changes and parking. It is important to note that this version does not include additional features such as heating, blind spot detection, signal lights, anti-glare, or auto-dimming. It is a simple, functional replacement focused purely on visibility. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes using existing mounting points and wiring connections. The package also includes an installation guide for added convenience. Overall, it's a dependable, easy-to-install mirror replacement that restores clear visibility at an affordable price. Now number 4, Yikesai Cars Mirror Glass. This passenger-side mirror glass replacement is a well-designed direct-fit solution for Volkswagen Golf 7 Malawi and Quatches models, including Golf, GTI, Golf R, Sportwagen, Alltrack, and Jetta, 2015 to 2021 depending on model. It matches factory mounting points, ensuring a precise fit without trimming or modifications, making it a convenient replacement for damaged or worn mirror glass. Made from durable ABS and high-quality glass, it delivers clear rear visibility for safer driving. The built-in heating function helps quickly remove fog, ice, and snow, improving performance in cold and wet conditions. Installation is simple and quick, using existing wiring and mounting interfaces, allowing most users to complete replacement within minutes. It does not include auto-dimming or advanced sensor features, focusing instead on essential heating and visibility functions. Overall, the package includes one mirror glass and an installation guide, offering a practical and affordable OEM-style replacement option for restoring safety and visibility. And our last choice is Cars Mirror Glass. This passenger-side mirror glass replacement is a reliable direct-fit solution for Lexus RX models, including RX 330, 2004 to 2006, RX 350, 2007 to 2009, and RX 400h, 2006 to 2009. It is designed to match factory specifications, ensuring a precise fit without trimming or modification, which makes installation straightforward and convenient. Made from high-quality glass and durable ABS material, it provides clear and sharp rear visibility, helping improve driving safety in everyday conditions. The built-in heating function is a valuable feature, effectively clearing fog, ice, and snow to maintain visibility during cold or wet weather. Installation is simple and quick, using the original mounting points and existing wiring connections, allowing most users to complete the replacement in just a few minutes. The design focuses on essential functionality, without auto-dimming or advanced electronic features, keeping it practical and cost-effective. Overall, this mirror glass is a dependable replacement option that restores visibility, safety, and performance while maintaining OEM-level fit and quality. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.